Alright guys, so I just discovered this. If you have seen my videos of my garage door running down, you can see that when it gets around this section, it will make a pop noise. Well, it isn't making it right now, but if you do watch my videos, you'll hear it. And the reason is because this roller, as it's going down, see there's the connection between the tracks. See this part is slightly like more to like the right. So as this roller is going down, it like hits like this track. Which you can hear. If you look even more closely, you can see it going down. So yeah, that's basically how my garage door basically makes that pop noise as it's reaching this section. So yeah, it's just a random little video. Probably won't post it like on my main channel. I'm probably just going to like put this in like the playlist, the others playlist. But yeah, that's it.